Mitochondria make light called biophotons. They can't help it. The whole job of the mitochondria is to move electrons. When they're facilitating respiration, they take in the metabolic substrates, fats and glucose, that are made up of primarily carbon and hydrogen and some oxygen atoms. And then they combine that carbon and hydrogen with oxygen to make carbon dioxide and water. And this involves the movement of electrons. When those electrons move from one shell in one atom to another shell in another atom, they emit light. The light is so difficult to detect from outside the body that they're called ultra-weak biophotons. But inside the body, the light that the mitochondria emit is intense when it's inside the cell. Now, ordinarily, most of the energy that the mitochondria are converting is used to produce ATP. And that ATP is then used elsewhere in the body for everything: growth, exercise, metabolism, wound healing, everything. But when the mitochondria are activated by cold to produce heat, most of the energy is going into light, not ATP. Your brown fat are the cells principally involved in what's called cold thermogenesis. Cold thermogenesis is your mitochondria using these metabolic substrates via respiration to produce heat, to defend your core body temperature against the cold. And when they do that, of course, the energy isn't going into producing ATP, it's going into producing light. Heat energy is thousands of nanometers in wavelength. But biophotons aren't just in those longer wavelengths. They're also produced in the shorter wavelengths, including UVB. When that UVB is emitted from mitochondria during cold thermogenesis, it will intersect a cholesterol molecule inside the brown fat, and when it does, it will convert that cholesterol to pre-vitamin D. Cold is how human beings can maintain healthy vitamin D levels despite the lack of sunshine during the winter.